Good afternoon. My name is Roma Pitadilla, CEO of Affordable and President of Affordable Insurance and Financial Services, enjoying my business 16 plus year and very success in my own business. It's a privilege for me to share secret of success, especially during this pandemic time. That situation is drag on people morale, finance, and their futures. They are no different. They are calling me and asking me, "Hey Roma, can I stop pay premium? You know what? I cannot afford the premium. And can I sell my life insurance? And can they feel close to me? They feel free to express their concern with me. And that's why they are calling me. You know what? It's a fun for me to be online with them, especially during the pandemic time. It's giving me challenge as well how to handle this situation. And this is absolutely perfect. It's trigger their voice, me, to infuse some positivity in their business. Their, their voice is been triggering me. They willing to share their secret and express their concern. The pandemic has taught me to able to relationship during this pandemic time. And there is a four pillar of the building. I like to share today four pillar of building a great business, especially just like building a house. You know that, right? Four pillar is very important to build a strong house. First is like a building relationship. Yeah, I focus on building relationship, not building client. That doesn't mean I don't sell. I focus on relationship. See their needs, what they need. Not to sell by protecting things that what I'm going to make commission and all that things. No. Keep the mission. Commission follows. Yeah? And the second pillar is leverage technology. Right? I have leveraged this, build on my own social media. Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. And you know what? My current generation, my new clients, they took the second generation. They are more into Instagram. I learn how to use Instagram. Yeah, I have to be with them because they are more into Instagram. I have to focus them. So I learn how to use the Instagram. And I'm with them on the Instagram. And taught me how to concern with them. Yeah, in continue talking with them and having sharing my milestones on the Facebooks and my success and how I'm doing and keeping continue what they are doing, how they are doing, and virtual and virtually they can contact me anytime. Yeah, important to success. People don't care how much you know, but people care how much you care about them. Yeah, so that is very, very important. I call and talk to my clients about what's new, how they can keep the policy generate, and they can reap the benefits later on. Because this is the time they're supposed to keep the policy. This is supposed not to get the money out and turn off the policies. No, this is the time they're supposed to keep, right? I check them and you know what? And the third thing has been that is third pillar I use as a three tools. Positivity. Share, support and help. Because support and help is very important. Yeah? And the third thing is been doing is knowledge transfer. So positivity is most important now than ever. Yeah? I listen to my clients and concern with them and also ask them to view their thoughts and concerns and everything. And I continue talk about prospects and clients and all that things, support and all that things. And I make a very beautiful sandwich. Very beautiful, yummy sandwich with the fourth pillar, yeah, which is partnership and connectivity, concern, right? That is a fourth pillar. I make very beautiful, yummy sandwich, like a upper layer is all about the visions. The middle years is all about the financial futures, like their tax-free retirement and so many life insurance policies as a long-term care and upgraded with living benefits and all that things, 401k to like right now 401k is turning into 201k and 101k. I ask them to how to make it safe and all that things, like everything that is the middle layer of the sandwich on the top of the social media. That is the fun. That is the fun. And that is all about. And what I do is like I partner with them. And all these things is been doing with the professional finance. It's my duty. It's my duty as a professional financial advisor. I put my shoes in their shoes to make sure that what they are feeling, how they are feeling, and that is the way I do. I never think about myself, but I think about my client, and their concern is very important for me. I literally, holistic way to do the business with their concern and their needs, all about that, and keep the mission, commission follows, right? With the optimistic, see, we can do like a mango tree, right? Mango tree with the passion and patience, with the be optimistic way. It's take a time. Mango tree takes time. It's 10 years, but with right fertilizer, soil, weather, water, and with patience, right? Definitely you will get mangoes. Definitely you will get mangoes. The same way, business is all about. And rest of, you know what, that positivity and like all about the activities with the passions, partnership and connectivity will turn into activity, and rest is the history. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.